Alright, this is a new addition to the knife dungeon. Check it out. You got some instructions to read. I'll go ahead and let you guys, especially obviously know a lot more than I do. Let me know where I should mount this thing. I mean, thought it was. I got everything in there. It's kitchen sink, I guess. I don't know what these are. Shims, maybe? But it's what we got. What the heck this thing is? A wheel dresser? That's what it says. Well, what do you think? Think that I should use my new bench grinder on this? I don't know. Maybe we'll keep going by hand. We'll take a look. Hey, for now, it's Constructo saying thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Out. Oh, by the way, if you have the suggestions on where this thing should go, whether on top of a bench, or should I give it its own spot? You know, like something like I did with the vise. Should I put it out in the middle? You know, I appreciate you guys helping me out. For now, Constructo. Look at the bench is all messed up again. Out.